Hey, welcome to my fourth video here in the month of December. And this month of December, I've been putting some meditation videos out there that just would like to work on a theme of self-love. And today I'd really like to dedicate this meditation to this feeling of gratitude that I have inside me today. You know, when I do these videos, I give myself some thoughts and I have some ideas. I write my little notes on my page and then I just give it to you. So it's for me something that's, you know, live and real and raw, and I hope that you can feel the authenticity of it as we move into the meditation. So today I said, you know, this is going to be about gratitude, and gratitude for this body that I live in, I reside in, this temple. And you know how I sometimes forget what it is that actually is keeping me alive, and how this body is working for me to keep me alive. And today it's going to be a nice full moon here in the evening, and you know, the moon energy always for me is a time of reflection. So you know, I'm going to read you a little poem I wrote one time about this connection to nature and connection to my body. And it goes like this: gratitude. The earth nourishes me. The water cleanses me. The fire ignites me. The air breathes through me. The space surrounds me. I am in nature, and nature is in me. So let's find ourselves a nice position for this meditation, sitting, lying on a chair, whichever is comfortable for you. And let's just start by closing our eyes and just landing here in this space. We're going to be here for about 12 minutes, and when the sound of the harp comes, I'll guide you out of the meditation. But please, if you feel you want to stay in the meditation a little bit longer, do so. And just waken when you are ready to waken. So start by taking a couple deep breaths in through the nose and out through the nose. Maybe you want to take a deep sigh, closing the eyes and bringing your awareness to this space, diving in to your space, this sacred space just for you. Nobody invited, just you. Bringing your awareness to the breath and breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. Just feeling the breath moving through you. This breath is moving like gentle waves. Feel the breath move through you. This air we breathe in is air that we share with all living organisms. We all share this air, so let's breathe in good, positive vibes and thoughts. Breathing out good, positive vibes and thoughts. Just being grateful for this body, this temple, and the air, breath that keeps us alive. Bring your awareness to the earth that nourishes you, provides for you. The earth is breathing with you. Take deep breaths in through the nose and out through the nose, and just feel the earth. Gratitude to this earth and the nourishment that it provides. Bring your awareness to the substance of fire, the sun, that brings us this energy that ignites our soul, our spirit, our strength. Take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the nose, and just feel the gratitude towards fire. The fire that ignites inside of you. The heat. The spirit. Bring your awareness to the water as it cleanses you. Our body contains the same amount of water as the whole earth. Water cleanses, heals, and flows through you. Take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the nose, and just feel the element water as it cleanses you. and bring your awareness to the element of space. This space that surrounds us, all of the space inside of our body. There is so much opportunity. Take a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the nose, just feeling the gratitude for all this space. Nature is in you. Earth, air, water, fire, and space. We live in nature and we are nature. And just sit for a few moments with this feeling of gratitude for this body, this day, this life. The mind wanders. Come back to the breath, breathing in, breathing out. Nature lives in you. And nature is all around you. When you hear the sound of the harp, you can choose whether to stay here with your eyes closed or gently just open your eyes. Thank you for staying with me today. Have a great full moon day.